Hello everyone, it's Melissa and welcome back to my channel. Are you ready for some holiday crafting? We'll be using items from the newest Softlex Company Design Kit Ugly Sweater. I'll be using these beads here with the garnet Softlex wire that came in the kit. And I thought it'd be nice to make like a little beaded ornament, just to show that you can make other things other than jewelry with their Softlex design kits. And I will leave a link down below in the description if any of these items are still available, as well as the tutorial playlist for holiday inspiration featuring these designs. And before we start creating, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. It helps my little channel grow. Let's start creating. So these were just a few beads that I had left over. This one was kind of the challenge item. And so to start with our ornament, we're going to use about 7 inches of our Softlex wire. Beautiful soft flex wire. We're going to add in a 2x2. Now silver came in the kit, but I'm using gold just to highlight the little pencil on this bead. We're going to slide on our 2x2. And then with the other side of the soft flex wire, we're just going to pass back through that 2x2. We want to create just a small little loop. This is where we can attach like a dangle later on in our project or like a little holiday charm. Pliers, just give it a little squeeze, and then we're going to rotate and squish. This is going to round our 2x2 and give it a more professional finish. Now we have a little bit of a tail with our Sunflex wire. So we're just going to trim off that extra tail, making sure not to trim the working wire. Now we're just going to slide on our beads. Have to have sparkle in a holiday ornament. And these are really cute. They were large hole beads. They were from the Jesse James Bead Mix, and they're snowflakes, reindeers, and musical notes. So we have our little rhinestone bead and our little green reindeer. We're just going to attach one of our little bead caps and another green reindeer and our rhinestone. Just going to set that off to the side. And I probably am using too much Softlex wire, but that's okay. We can always save it for a future project. We have one more of our little bead caps and our vintage ornament ball. I was going to originally put this on the Softlex wire, but it was a little tricky. So I put it onto a head pin, and this is going to be our little charm. And then we're just going to add on that little topper so it looks like an ornament. I'm going to bring in my one-step looper and give it a squeeze. And this will give us the perfect loop. For my Softlex wire, I'm going to cut a more workable length. And this is the perfect extra length for like an earring or maybe a connection points. So we'll save that for a future project. And I have a lot of Softlex wire. A design option is you could put seed beads on there, but I want my Softlex wire to show. Our 2x2 on, we're just going to pass back through that 2x2 with the Softlex wire. So that the connection point is large enough that it'll fit on a branch of the tree. We're going to take our pliers and just give it a squish and rotate. Little reindeers, and then of course your sparkle. Now we're just going to use our round nose pliers and open up our little loop from our ornament. And we're going to attach it to the bottom of the Softlex and give it a close. And we have our super cute little holiday ornament. And you can also use this for a gift. Like you could attach it to the ribbon or to the bow, and then they'll have an ornament for next year, and it just personalizes your gift. Thank you so much for watching today's video. I hope you enjoyed. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button. It helps my little channel grow. And check out down below in the description for the products I used in today's video, as well as all other holiday inspiration. Have an awesome day.